In this tutorial, you will learn the basic steps to creating the first issue of a publication. From the dashboard, select the New Issue tab. You will need to complete all of the required fields indicated by the asterisk to move forward. I will mostly focus on the required fields in this tutorial. For further inquiries, please contact your account representative. Under Issue Setup Options, you will first select the publication from the drop-down menu. Next, we will input the name of the new issue. We will then select the digital published date. Today's date is highlighted. We now move to the right under Viewer Options. Most of these options have a selection by default and may not require a change according to preference. One thing to note would be the viewer version. By default, the publication will be viewed using our new Flash Viewer 2.0. If you prefer the style of the older viewer, or you prefer viewing the publication using an HTML viewer, then you can simply click on the drop-down arrow and select accordingly. Moving forward, we scroll down to the issue options. Here's a list of options that you can enable or disable for your publication. Most are self-explanatory. If there are specific questions on any of these options, please contact your account representative. As an example, page printing and PDF download options are enabled by default. By placing a check mark in these boxes, these options will no longer be available to the reader. We now move on to the next selection, Toolbar Setup. First, select the desired language of your toolbar using the drop-down menu. You will now select between a standard toolbar and an animated toolbar. In the animated toolbar, the icons will get larger as you roll over them with your mouse pointer. You will first choose the color of your toolbar, then a style of your toolbar, and a sample of your selection will be shown below. The next section below allows users to personalize additional options for the publication. You can add a logo that will appear both in the toolbar and when the publication is loaded from this column if printer branding and logo have been removed. This is highlighted in Publication Settings. You can edit the look of the side navigation arrows in the viewer as well. Here, you can also personalize the corner of each page in the publication. In the next section, you can check this box if you would like these issue settings to be default on all future issues of this publication. This will help you save time in the setup process. We will now select Next Page to move forward. On the Assistance Level page, you will select your desired assistance level. If there are any special instructions that you would like to provide to our data entry team, then you can either browse and attach or type the instruction in the text field. Select Next when ready. On this page, you will review our PDF requirements to allow successful conversion of your files. Check the agreement box and this icon when you are ready to proceed. To upload your file, you will select Upload File, browse for the appropriate file, select Upload. You will now reach the final setup page before the file goes through the conversion process. Here you will have the option to designate page naming, page sizes, zoom settings, and other options. Enter your email address to receive notification that the publication has finished converting. Click Next and you will be sent to the page showing the conversion progress. It is not necessary to remain on this page as you will receive an email notification indicating the conversion is complete. After conversion has been completed, your new issue will show in the dashboard. You can then check for quality and edit accordingly using Setup links. This concludes the tutorial on how to create the first issue of a publication.